all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night. Hello, stranger.
Hi guys, thank you for coming to my YouTube channel today, and I'm going to show you my routine from straight hair to curly hair, so keep watching. So first I like to start off with the Olaplex line using number 0. This product is basically a primer that fights against any damage by rebuilding hair bonds and making your hair stronger. So right here, I'm just starting from my ends, working my way up, and please be careful because you can easily spray yourself like I did, and I would hate for you to get Olaplex in your eye, so be careful. So next we're going to go on top of that with number 3. These two work way better together than apart, so if you plan on using it, try to spray the number 0 in first and go right on top with number 3. So once I get done with that, I'm going to go ahead and put a plastic bag over my head and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. I think I let mine sit for 20 to 25. And so once I'm done with that, I'll take it off, and then now I'll go in with the number 4 and number 5 shampoo and conditioner. But before that, you guys, look at my hair. Like I would say right here, my curls are probably about 50% back. They're not all the way there, but you can already tell like it's done its job. That's why I love Olaplex so much. Like I could not stop touching my hair. So I've already shampooed with the Olaplex number 4. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to detangle with number 5. I do this because it's easier to manipulate and my hair gets very tangled easily. So it's better that I detangle with a conditioner and just work my way through and try to reform my curls, as you can see me doing right here. So I'll just complete this entire process throughout each section of my head. Right now I'm just kind of playing with my curls, trying to get a feel if I have any heat damage or anything in that nature. So this is the DIY mask that I normally do. I can leave the recipe down below. It's super duper easy and it makes your hair grow really fast. It's like my favorite in the whole wide world. And I'll blend it and I'll add the Mielle drops right on top. I hope I said that right. But this stuff is super duper messy, so please be careful. So once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and put a plastic bag over my head and let it sit for probably about 30 minutes under a heated dryer. I just feel like it works better because it penetrates more with heat, and yeah. So I turn into an iPad kid when I have to wait, and I like to play Family Feud. While I wait, that's just what we gonna do. Okay, so the 30 minutes is up, and I just can't get over how hydrated my curls look. Like, do y'all see that? Just look, girl. But when I tell y'all my hair feels so soft, it's crazy. So after I rinse that out, I'm gonna go in with the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate. Now I've never tried this before, but I do know it smells edible. Like you literally could probably eat this stuff, but on the package it says do not eat. I don't believe it. It literally smells like caramel. Like, I don't know. It just smells so good. So next I'm gonna go in with these Mielle drops, and I hope I'm saying that right. But I feel like I overuse these drops because I love them so much. They literally make your hair grow super duper fast, and I just massage that in, and that's how we go from this to this. So thank you guys for watching my straight to curly hair routine, and I hope you guys come back for the next video.